Good morning, children. Welcome to E-Prayas BU Sonpur. This is Buddhadev Shah from Adarsa Community Preschool Sonpur Municipality. Dear children, certainly you have seen pets such as cows, dogs, cats, etc. Children, today we are going to discuss such a poem on cats. Cat is a pet, So today we are going to discuss the poem Cats of your English book of class 4. Children, the poet of this poem Cat is Leonard Farjekan. Leonard Farjekan is a poet who has written many stories and as well as poem for the children. So students, just look at your book now. We shall read the poem so that we can understand about cats, and here the poet is also described where the cats generally sleep. So please look at your book now. I am reading here. Cats sleep anywhere, under the table, on the chair, top of the piano window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Open dryer, empty shoe, anybody's lab will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care, cat sleeps anywhere. Children, once again I am reading the poem. Look at the book mindfully. Cats sleep anywhere, under the table, on the chair, top of a piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Open dryer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. Children, now see some difficult words here. Let us have some discussion with those difficult words. Sleep, children, sleep is soiba. Sleep माने हला soiba. Anywhere, जे कौनसी स्थान रे, anywhere, जे कौनसी स्थान रे, under the table, पिला ने देखिए तो हम समझते table, chair, then piano is a musical instrument played by the people. एक वाद्य यंत्र जाकि लोक माने ताको बजाई थांती. विंडो लेज, झरकार पार्श्ववर्ती अंचल स्थान, विंडो लेज. ड्रॉयर you have seen ड्रॉयर, टेबुल रे थाए. शू माने हला जूता. एनीबॉडीज, जहार भी हो. लैब माने हला कोलो, LAP लैब, कोलो. Fitted in a cardboard box. Cardboard box पिलाने कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स हम का कहबा जो थे जोता आए, सार्ट आसी थाए, विभिन्न जो आम ओडिया आम भाषा पेटी कही था. कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स इन द कपबोर्ड विथ योर फ्रॉक्स. कपबोर्ड जो प्लाईवुड तैयारी करा जाय थाए, थाक गुड़ाक समस्त घरे थाए थाक, दैट इज कपबोर्ड विथ योर फ्रॉक्स. झील मैंने पिंधुवा कुर्ता, फ्रॉक्स जहाँ आम कही था. So these are all about the key words of the poem. So children, again I am reading the poem. Now you know the meaning. So look at your book. Cats sleep anywhere, under the table, on the chair. Cats sleep anywhere. पिला माने जे बिलेई माने जे कोनसी जगह रे सोई पारती. Under the table, on the chair. So here the poet has described the place where the cats generally sleep. क्यों जगह रे बिराड़ी माने साधारणतः सोईतांती से विषय रे एठारे कवि वर्णना करछंती. Children, There are many places in the poem where the cats generally sleep. So what are the places? Under the table तले, on the chair বা চৌকি উপরে, top of a piano বাদ্যযন্ত্র, সেই বাদ্যযন্ত্রের উপরে মধ্যে ସେମାନେ শুয়ে পড়িଥାନ୍ତି। window ledge in the middle on the edge, ମାନେ ସେ ଯୋଉ window ledge ଥାଏ বা ଝରକାର ଯୋଉ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସ୍ଥାନ ଥାଏ, ସେଇ ସ୍ଥାନର ମଝିରେ କିମ୍ବା ତା ଧାରରେ, edge ମୁଁ ଧାର କହିଛି, edge ମାନେ ଧାର ସେ ଧାରରେ ସେମାନେ ଶୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଓପନ୍ ଡ୍ରୟର, ଖୋଲା ଡ୍ରୟରରେ ଶୋଇଥାନ୍ତି ଟେବୁଲର। ଏମ୍ପ୍ଟି ସୁ, ଯଦି ଜୋତା ରଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ଜୋତାରେ ଶୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଏନିବଡିଜ୍ ଲ୍ୟାପ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ଡୁ, ଯଦି କେହି ବସିଛି, ଯାହା ଘରେ ବିଲେଇ ରହୁଥିବ ଏବଂ ଯଦି କେହି ବସିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଠି, ସେ କୋଳରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ ଶୋଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଫିଟେଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ଏ କାର୍ଡବୋର୍ଡ ବକ୍ସ, ଯଦି କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ କାର୍ଡବୋର୍ଡ ବକ୍ସ ରଖା ହେଇଛି, ସେଇ କାର୍ଡବୋର୍ଡ ବକ୍ସରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେମାନେ ଶୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଇନ୍ ଦ କପବୋର୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ୟୁର ଫ୍ରକ୍ସ, ଇନ୍ ଦ କପବୋର୍ଡ କଥା ମୁଁ କହିଛି, ଯେଉଁ ଥାକରେ କିମ୍ବା ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି କପଡ଼ା ରଖୁଛୁ, ସେଇ କପଡ଼ା ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବିଲେଇମାନେ ଶୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। anywhere they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. anywhere ଯେକୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନରେ, they don't care, ସେମାନେ କାହାକୁ କେୟାର କରିନଥାନ୍ତି, କାହାକୁ ଭୟ କରିନଥାନ୍ତି। cats sleep anywhere. So children, here you know that the cats sleep in many places. So what are the places? Under the table, on the chair, top of a piano, in the middle, on the edge of a window ledge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap, cardboard box, in the cupboard, with the dresses, what is kept anywhere means they don't care, they don't have any fear about their sleep, so they sleep anywhere they find. So children, you now understand the poem cats. So just let me summarize the poem, children. Here the poet Leonard Farjekan has described the cats and the places of sleeping. So my dear students, let's go to the second part of the poem. Again you will understand better when we will discuss some comprehension questions and multiple choice questions here. So let us discuss who are there in the poem. There are cats in the poem. What is the poem about? The poem is about cats. Children, here the poem tells about many places where cats can sleep. So how many places are there? There are 10 places. Under the table, on the chair, top of a piano, in the middle, on the edge of window ledge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap, cardboard box, and in the cupboard. These are the 10 places where the cats can sleep. Children, here in the last stanza of this poem, a word they is used. So here, who is they in this stanza of this poem? Here, they is referred to the cats, or cats are referred to as they in the last stanza of the poem. So certainly you understand the poem better, children. Let's have some comprehension activities. Look at your book, page 49. Cats sleep. There are 4 options in each number. Cat sleeps. Cat sleep in the garden, in the room, anywhere, in the field. Here the answer will be anywhere. Second, cats care everybody, don't care anybody, obey everybody, follow everybody. Cats don't care anybody is the right answer. Third, they in the last stanza is used for cats, dogs, rats and bats. Here the answer is cats. They is used for cats. Number 4, where are the frogs? The options are on the table, in the box, in the cupboard and on the wall. So the answer is in the cupboard. So children, I hope you understand the poem better and the rest of the activities in the book from the lesson cats will be discussed in the next class. Stay home, stay safe.